Hi buddies, welcome to one more video here in the channel, just a guy learning English, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and update the Play Store app, okay? First thing you have to do is access this page. The link will be on this video description. All you have to do is click on it to be redirected to here where you can download the app, okay? Here we have the option download Playstore APK. Okay, let's click on it. You will be redirected to this page. Okay, just a sec. Okay, let's click on here to download the APK. Download. Okay, Android shows a message, but you can download. This file doesn't have any viruses. Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, download finished. Let's click on it. This message will appear. Okay, open with package installer, this one. Okay, do you want to install an update to this built-in application? Your existing data will not be lost. Okay, install. Okay, but this app installed. This process takes several seconds to finish. Okay, let's open. Okay, that's it. Working. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked, and till the next one.